Alright folks, I bought this lovely 12 by 12 Acacia wood tiles which are having a interlock mechanism for my balcony. As you can see, it's very precarious to go out in the balcony with the gaps in the grill. And these are waterproof and outdoor flooring tiles for patio and gardens. So let me see how I can set it up. So first thing first, let's get rid of all these plants. There you go. The tiles are set. It looks so classy, guys. I fell short of just one pair of tiles, but that's okay. There's an AC right above it, so not really required. But I love this setup. Now let's put all the plants. There you go. My balcony is ready, and it's looking super chic with these tiles. They're so sturdy and so beautiful. Love this. So guys, let me know what you think about my cute little balcony. It's so much more safer and so much more, well, chicer, if there's any word like that. But I love it.